How to profit from blogs. No matter what they write in the articles about blog monetization, there are only two fundamentally different ways of generating income from an internet resource: selling what belongs to you and selling someone else's. But already you can sell really a lot of things. Selling your if you have something valuable that you can sell, then offer it to potential buyers. The question arises, what to sell? Goods that you produce yourself. It can be digital goods, photos, videos, audio recordings, training courses, ready-made articles for filling sites, templates for websites, software. But you can sell physical goods. For example, jewelry of own manufacture, crafts, paintings, Adobe bricks for the construction of Adobe houses. Think about what you enjoy doing and what might be helpful to others. Services that you can also offer from your blog. You can revise the list of goods popular in the network and offer custom manufacturing services. The same copywriting, for example. By the way, potential buyers get the opportunity to evaluate your style by reading posts in the gods. Or design and layout of sites, consultations, online training, website optimization and more. In the same category of work with your, you can include the sale of links from the pages of the site. If the link is paid by the buyer once and for all, then you can call it the sale of an advertising space product. If, with the help of various exchanges, you were able to arrange monthly payments for the links installed on your blog, then call it a rental space on the page service. However, whatever you call it, the main thing is to be useful and profitable. Almost always, you can combine the sale of finished goods and the offer of services for the manufacture of these same goods to order. Selling someone else's as with the sale of their, you will offer either goods or services. Only they will be strangers. There are three options for organizing earnings on other people's goods. You completely redeem another product with the right to sell it. You may have to conclude an agreement, for example, to maintain authorship, to sell at a certain price. But in general, you become a full owner. You do not buy anything, but simply join the affiliate program, in the framework of which you advertise someone else's product or service. In this case, you do not have to worry about payment tools and organize the delivery of goods. Also, you do not face a headache from communicating with numerous customers. Money is credited to your account immediately after payment of the advertised product by the user involved. Finally, you can completely take off your worries about the promotion of someone else's product. You simply provide a place on the site where advertising of other people's goods will be loosened. Back to the first method of earning, renting a place on the site. You'll receive money if someone from your blog readers clicked on an advertisement, pay-per-clicks, or simply because the advertisement was on a page that a visitor opened, pay-per-view. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.